Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the 5 best penny stocks that could make you a millionaire. This article is titled 5 penny stocks that will make you a millionaire, but we don't want to mislead anyone here. We don't know where these stocks are really headed in the future, but there is no denying that these stocks have fantastic stock price appreciation ahead of them. But you should always make sure to do your own research. These are high risk, high reward plays, and you need to understand what you are buying. I would encourage you to finish this video and then watch the video before this one so you can get some other penny stocks that are currently set to surge. So with that being said, let's dive into this article. Right now we have Aeva Technologies Inc., ticker symbol AEVA. This company currently trades at $1.27. However, experts believe the company is worth at minimum $2.25 and at maximum it could surge up to $10. But why do professionals think this? Well, Aeva Technologies Inc. is a Silicon Valley-based technology company that designs as well as creates autonomous sensing solutions. So what does that mean? Well, these sensing solutions will be utilized in autonomous vehicles. So this is going to be a huge electric vehicle play because this technology could be implemented into electric vehicles. Just listen to hear what this stock reporter has to say about this company, and I quote, "I predict the biggest gains will come from investing in the one tiny $5 tech company that could help make the Apple car a reality. I believe this company could provide a key piece of tech the Apple car needs to become a truly autonomous vehicle, because it's going to be what allows the autonomous Apple car to see." Surprisingly, this tech is already being used in our iPhones, and 2 former Apple engineers actually left to build this company and start applying it to AVs, which stands for autonomous vehicles. That's why I believe the Silicon Valley tech firm they started is a shoo-in to become a vital Apple car supplier. So potentially, this company is ran by 2 former Apple engineers, which could potentially lead to this technology being implemented into autonomous vehicles such as the Apple car. Also, we have an analyst from Roth Capital who has a buy rating for this company and a $10 price target, which is significantly higher than the current share price of just $1.27. So if you're into electric vehicle technology and you like penny stocks and you don't mind taking on the risk of this high risk, high reward play, then feel free to do more research or add it to a watch list. None of these are buy recommendations, and as always, you should always weigh the risk to reward and consult your financial advisor. The next company we're going to talk about is Wheels Up Experience Inc., ticker symbol UP, ticker name UP. Right now, the company trades for $1.18. While professionals believe on the low end, the company should be trading for around $1.30, meaning that the current share price is undervalued, but on the higher end, the company could surge up to $5. But why do we think that this company could show some further stock price improvements? Well, this company is a leading provider of on-demand air travel services, thus connecting customers to various aircraft to where this aircraft could literally pick them up almost like an air Uber. But is this technology actually realistic? Well, let's see what another stock reporter has to say about this, where he says, and I quote, "This one is a dirt cheap play on one of the largest private aviation companies in the world. The firm is expanding its addressable market by an incredible 900%. It just announced record revenue growth of 49% year over year. It's grown membership by 20% this year. Even though it's the leading company in this sector with huge growth, its stock is trading at just $2 a share," end quote. So essentially, he's saying that this company is dirt cheap. I'd also want to make you aware of their overall financials, because this company is bringing in a load of money for such a cheap stock. For instance, the company posted their third quarter fiscal 2022 results, where their earnings per share, also known as EPS, beat expectations by 4 cents per share, which is quite a lot. On top of that, the company reported revenue of $420.36 million, which represents a 39.2% increase year over year. crushing Wall Street's estimations by around $38.31 million. So clearly, there is money in this sector, and this particular stock and company is a leader in that sector, to where the addressable market is growing by hundreds of percent. Definitely something you may want to look into. The next company we have is Tellurian Inc., ticker symbol TELL, ticker name TELL. This company as of right now trades for close to $1.79. Professionals believe that this company could either be fairly valued because very bearish negative analysts believe the company could be worth $1.80 over the next 12 months, but we have some other very positive dreamers thinking that the company could surge as high as $10. This company is a Houston-based energy company that's mainly focused on delivering natural gas to the globe. But what do financial reporters and professionals have to say about this company? Well, they say its founder is the man who started the entire LNG boom in the United States, building the first independent, non-major oil company LNG export facility in 2010 to 2014. A stock that has gone from around $5 to over $150, a return of approximately 2,900%. Now he's about to do it again, the emerging LNG giant, end quote. So essentially, he's saying that the founder of this company has already proven himself once by taking a company and making their stock go from $5 up to $150, and this financial reporter believes he could do it again. In our number 2 spot of penny stocks that could potentially make you a millionaire, we have Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings, ticker symbol DNA. This company has a current share price of $1.52. However, experts, professionals, analysts, and stock reporters all believe that this company could surge much higher than it's currently worth. For instance, on the low end of the spectrum, the company is worth $2, equating to a pretty sizable increase for their overall share price in regards to a percentage basis. However, other investors believe this company could surge up to $12, more than a 6 times increase. Literally, you could over quadruple the amount of money that you put into the stock over the next 12 months if this company delivers on their promises. But what does Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings do? Well, I'm glad you asked. They are a very innovative and emerging biotechnology company that is involved in programming cells in the same way that you could program a computer chip. An analyst recently chimed in for this company and he gave it a buy rating and a $6 price target. That means at minimum you could over triple your money in this stock if this analyst is right. Many financial reporters currently say, and I quote, its management team is elite, including the former CEOs and MGMs and Bayer, a highly regarded MIT scientist and a billionaire businessman. They specialize in a revolutionary technology, one that could transform every industry on the planet, and they are a market leader in an industry that's projected to be worth $4 trillion in the coming years. This is not a company that is going to make you rich quick, much like the other companies on this list. These are companies that you're going to buy and hold for the long term because potentially their share price could absolutely skyrocket over the next decade once the market identifies how truly lucrative and valuable these companies are. But until then, these companies are going to sit in silence and we could see major volatility in their share prices going up and down. Which is why, once you're profitable on these companies, remember to take those profits. Cash in those profits, take them off the table, use those profits to reinvest into the company, and then take out your original investment. That way, essentially, you're not even losing money by having investments into these companies. And with that being said, let's round out this video with last but not least, Farfetch Limited, ticker symbol FTCH, which trades for $4.92 or roughly $5. Again, professionals believe this company is undervalued because at the lowest price point, this company should be worth at around $5.34. But even with that being said, the company has the potential and opportunity to skyrocket in price up to $20 per share over the next 12 months. However, why are so many investors bullish on this company? Well, essentially, this is an online luxury fashion retailer that is based over in London. When selling luxurious products, the margins on these products are absolutely phenomenal, meaning that the company is bringing in loads of money. The company already is a leader in this space, stretching back all the way until 2007, and they also have a prominent global footprint according to this article. Professionals are also chiming in on this company by saying it's 100% dedicated to discounted luxury fashion. Annual revenue already exceeds, get a load of this, $2.3 billion. And that's insane for a penny stock. However, the quote goes on to say, and it's growing at a huge 35% annual rate. Just like its clothing, this company is trading at a huge discount. And the stock is trading for less than $10. It has huge upside potential and limited downside risk. Now, even though this particular stock reporter believes that it has limited downside risk, essentially all stocks could go to zero depending on the supply and demand. So don't let this financial reporter fool you. There is major risk investing into any or all of these penny stocks, or even investing into stocks in general. I'm just trying to put these stocks on your radar so you don't miss out on the long-term opportunities of these stocks. But what I like about this company is that a JPMorgan analyst gave this company a $15 price target, which is leagues higher than the current share price of around $5, so at minimum we're talking about tripling your money in a relatively short amount of time. And that rounds off the video for some of the best penny stocks to buy right now that could potentially make you a millionaire. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. What companies do you plan to buy? And again, these are not buy recommendations. Always make sure to do your own research at minimum. Put these on a watch list, do some research, tell me what you think of these companies, and remember to take profits while you can. Don't invest, wait for it to come up, and then eventually it could crash back down, because penny stocks are very volatile. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Go and smash that like button for more videos just like this one on very disruptive stocks to buy right now. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.